Ay, wala na naman. Ito pa. Wala naman. Kiss. Kiss mo na ako. Kiss mo. Hug, mama. Hug, mama. Hug mo na, mama. Hug. I love you. Okay. What shape? Circle. Very good. What shape? Oval. Very good. What shape? Heart. What shape? Very good. This one. Very good. This one. This one. Oh, nagsulat si Tia. This one, what shape? Triangle. Very good. What color? This one. Color? Green. Ah, this one. Very good. This one, what color? Color? Very good. This one. No? Yellow. This one. Your favorite color. What color? Pink. High five. Ah, dito naman tayo. Sabihin turo ni Mama. What's this?
Apple.
Very good. This one.
Boy.
No? Look. What's this?
Lion.
Lion. What's the sound of the lion? Arr. How about this one? What's this?
Boy.
Very good. What's this?
That boy.
Ah, ball. Please, yeah. Ball. Oh, ito. What's this?
Epic.
Elephant. This one. What's this?
That
Opo. Ito. What's this? What's this? Oh, show your hands nga kung ano yung fish. Wow, galing ni Yayay. Ito. What's this?
Cat.
Cat. What's the sound of the cat?
Meow meow.
Meow meow. Oh, this one. What's this? Gusto mo mag-eat nito? What's this? Ano? What's this? No. This is grapes. Galing ah. Oh, where's the horse? Where's the horse? Wow, what's the sound of the horse? High five. Where's the ice cream? Ice cream. Wow, sarap ice cream. Where's the monkey? Monkey. Oh, what's the sound of the monkey? High five. Where's the octopus? Good. Where's the sun? Sun. Oh, sing. Oh, Mr. Sun. Sun. Mr. Golden Sun. Please shine down on me. High five. Where's the zebra? Oh, that's horse. Zebra. Very good. High five. Yan ang sound ng zebra. Where's the duck? Duck. Very good. Where's the juice? Sing si Yayay, juice. Very good. Where's the tree? Very good. High five. Where's the watch? Where's the watch? Watch. Wow. Saan nilalagay ang watch? Wow. Ay, wala si Yayay. Watch. Where's the xylophone? Xylophone. Wow. How about the umbrella? Umbrella. Wow. High five. Galing ni Yaya. Kiss mama, big kiss mama. Oh, where's your eyes? Eyes. Your nose. Your nose. Your teeth. Your tongue. Show your tongue. Show your tongue, baby. High five. How about your ears? Ears. Your neck. Where's your neck? Where's your neck? Wow, galing-galing ah. How about your head? Your cheeks. Cheeks. Your chin. Ooh. High five. Where are your hands? Your fingers. Fingers. Where are your fingers? Wow. Where is your tummy? Where's your tummy? Big tummy. How about your belly button? Where's your belly button? Your shoulder. Your shoulder. Galing. High five. High five, Yay. High five. Galing ah. Introduce yourself muna. Hi. My name? Introduce yourself muna. Kay baraw ka na ng camera.